JT Pells, the tax quarterback, we've noticed with a lot of our clients, most of them do not have a business credit card, only a personal credit card. Why do so many business owners miss this?
I think one that they miss it is they don't know. That's one thing. But there are a lot of benefits to why you want to have a business credit card. Number one, cash flow. Now, what do I mean by that? It means you can buy something today and pay it later. Now, this doesn't give, I'm not saying to go up and rack up debt.
Yeah, don't do that.
No, but you could purchase something today, maybe wait 45 or 60 days, however long your turnaround is, get paid for the service that you're providing, and then pay for it. So it helps you cash flow-wise. Number two, it actually helps you build up credit history. When you start a business and you have your EIN, your LLC, that's a new social security number for your business. You might personally have credit history, your business doesn't have credit history. So now it allows you to maybe borrow more money in the future. If you wanted to go out and buy a property or rental property, obviously you need credit history. That EIN or that social security number for your business needs a credit history, and now you've been building it up, paying off your credit card every month. Number three, what actually helps? Credit card rewards, right? We all have a ton of expenses in our business. I mean, some of us rack up, $10,000, $20,000 each month. If you can pay that off or pay it off in time, that is a ton of credit card rewards. I think just our business alone, I think we made like $5,000 just in credit card rewards. Now we pay it off on time, but that would be something that's an extra $5,000 that we could use for whatever we want. Had I just used my debit card or my cash, I would miss out on $5,000. Now again, the big thing, don't extend your limit. Don't overextend yourself. Pay the credit card off on time. It's just you're giving yourself an extra 30, 45 days to pay something. That's all it is.
And in terms of having a business credit card, what, if anything, does that do tax-wise for the business? Are there anything that a business owner can take advantage of?
Yeah, one thing, like we said, is you could you could charge your credit card December 31st. You get credit for that expense, but you may not have to pay it until like February 15th or March or whenever your credit cards due. So it gives you extra tax write, and that's one of the things that we tell our clients is, hey, if you need something, pay it off in the year, but don't use your cash. Use somebody else's cash for that. And then pay it off in like 45 days whenever it's due. And hey, you got an extra $10,000 in write-offs.
Yeah, and one thing to make clear is, and something we always tell our clients is, never purchase something, never pay for something for tax purposes.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
Do it because you need it, and then we can take advantage of the tax breaks, laws, etc. with that. So kind of like that, buying or paying for something December 31st, is that kind of like similar in that way?
It's a similar thing. Yep. Buy it because you need it. Don't buy it because you saw on TikTok somebody told you to go out and buy a Porsche.
Before New Year's?
No. No, but if you're like, here's an easy one: your phone bill, right? Your January phone bill. You just pay it December. You're going to pay it anyway. Maybe just pay for an extra 3 months of phone bills or something. Something like that. Something that you're going to need. That's the example that we're using.
Yeah.
Something that you need and will use in your business, not a Lamborghini that you don't need and probably can't afford.
Yeah. So it sounds like for some of these, like an example like that, paying something before the end of the year, that's kind of like a one-off or maybe short-term thing.
Yeah.
But a business credit card, you can do that like kind of over and over. So it's almost like a long-term play that way.
It's a long-term play. You can get travel rewards, maybe go on a vacation, or like I normally just take the cash out. They just credit our card or give us extra cash. But I like that. Like I said, it's an extra $5,000, and if you're spending $100,000 every year on expenses and you're getting 5% back, that's $5,000. Again, as long as you're paying it on time, do not overextend yourself and go into debt. That is, and pay the interest because somebody told you it's tax deductible. That is not good.
Yeah. Oh, perfect. Yeah. Don't pay interest for tax reasons.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah. We want to avoid it. But if we're going to incur an expense, I try to put all my expenses on a credit card. I try to pay everything on a credit card.
Even the hookers and blow?
That one's cash. That one's cash. Not deductible.
That one's for me also on the side.
You said it, I didn't.
Cool. Well, JT, if someone wants to work with you, right, they need tax strategy help long term. Some of these short term things are cool every now and then, but they need long term help, a credit card or maybe switching entities, things like that. Where can they find you and work with you and your team?
Yeah. First thing you want to do is subscribe to our channel. It's either here or there, wherever it is. The graphic will come up. So make sure you like, subscribe, share. But also, there's going to be a link in the description or in the video. Click that link, book a call with our team, and if we're a good fit, somebody will be in touch with you, and hey, maybe you even talk to me or Drew behind the camera and you get some really good advice.
Cool. JT Pells, tax quarterback. Thank you.
You got it.